Good morning, children. I am Afzal Shabi. I am a faculty of Hindi from Montessori Group of Schools, Telangana. I am going to teach you the formation of letters, two-letter words. How to make a word. First, what is a word? In previous classes, we learn Varnamala, Matraएं, Barakhadi. These all we learn. I told you when I explained, I told you that with those letters only we are going to form a word. Then how to form a word? Very easy method. Easy method I am going to show. And first, if we written a word, or how to read and how to write a word, how to identify the letter, I am going to explain. Before that, what is the meaning of a word? Shabd. Word means shabd in Hindi. शब्द मीन्स एक या एक से ज्यादा अक्षरों को शब्द कहते हैं. एक या एक से ज्यादा अक्षरों को शब्द कहते हैं. सपोज इन हिंदी दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन. दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. See, very easy. Without symbols, I am going to teach you the how to form a easy words. If we know the letters R to Gnya very clearly, means very fluently. If we know the pronunciation of this, then we can write a word. Choosing the letters, we can write a word very easily. See. From Ka, Vyanjanakshar letters. I told you that in Varnamala it is divided into three parts. I told you na. Then in that one Vyanjanakshar letters. From suppose if we take that consonant means Vyanjan we can take. Then Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Inya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Ini. See children, always you must have to remember these all the letters. What is the pronunciation? How we can written that in previous classes. Then that is important. You must have to keep in your mind. Then ini, ta, tha, da, dha, ana. See, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, sha, tra, nya. See, these are some up to from here to here. Ka to ha are the Vyanjanakshar letters I told you in previous class. See, with these letters we can form a two-letter word very easily. First I am going to explain very easy word. See the pronunciation of the word and letters. What are the letters in that particular word? I am going to explain. See once example. If we take ba, where is that ba? I told you that varg. You must have to see the varg. Ka varg, ka kha ga ga inya. Cha varg, cha cha ja cha ini. Ta varg, ta tha da dha ana. Ta varg, ta tha da dha na. Pa varg, pa pha ba bha ma. Now, when we read in pa varg, it is we can find out the ba letter. First we can write ba. Ba plus sa. See? Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha. Where is sa? Here. In sha, sha, sa, ha. Sa. If we write ba plus sa together, you must have to write then. While we writing the word, no need of the header. Only letter you have to write. First letter ba and sa. While writing Hindi words, first letter should have to write. Then not to give the header on the top. Why? Because if we have some letters having full header on the letter and some letter did not have full header. That's why. Understand children? Then now ba, sa, bus. Very easy word, no? See how I formed pa varg. First I selected the words ka, kha, ga, kha, inya, cha, cha, ja, cha, ini. In that one pa varg, if we see the pa varg, pa, pha, ba, it is the ba there. Then yara, lava, shasha, saha is there. No, in that sa I selected the word. Then together if I mixed, this is there. It is a word. It forms as a word. Ba, sa, bas. Like that we can write so many words by choosing these letters. 2-letter words, 3-letter words and 4-letter words. Example, I will show one example I show now. First, if you open the textbook, if you see any word how to read, we can read a letter now by pronunciation of the letter. First you must have to identify the letter. First letter you have to identify. Example, I will see example here I am written na sa. This one I am written. How we have to read? I am written here this letter, this word na. How we have to read? See, first close this one. Then you can see this letter now. First identify this. First identify this. How you have to identify? You must have to remember this all in your mind. Or otherwise you can read by seeing this one ka, kha, ga, kha, inya, cha, cha, ja, cha, ini. In tavat we can find the na, ta, tha, da, dha, na. By seeing this na, we can identify the na or sa, na and sa, na plus sa. What are the letters in this one? Na plus sa is equal to nas. Na plus sa is equal to nas. You can identify the letter. By identifying the letter, you can read anything now. See, identify and join it and write some more words with this one. We can write some more. See, easy words and hard words also there. First I am going to explain only easy words. See, example, this is a word. What are the letters in this one? We have to identify. Ja, first ja, then la. Ja plus la is equal to jal. What is the sound of the letter? Ja. Ja plus la. Jal. Together you have to mix it. Then if we combine the letter, then sound will come. Ja, la, jal. Then like that, so many words are there. Ga. This is a word. Ga plus ja. What are the words are there? See, what are the letters in that one? In the word, what is the letter given? Particularly, you must have to read that particular letter and what is the sound of the letter. Together, if you mix, then it will become a word. Ga, ja, gaj. Children, in these words, no, 2 type of words are there. One is meaningful words, another one is meaningless words. Means those words, meaningful words means that words having a particular meaning. Those words did not have any meaning, that is called a meaningless words. Okay. Then now easy word. See, I am written easy word. Where you are going to mistake the word? See, suppose this word it is there. Then example. See this one. What is the letter? You have to identify that. I told you that Alpapran and Mahapran both are there. I told you, no, that day when I explained the Varnamala, Alpapran letters are there. In that one, Mahapran means Alpapran means easily we can pronounce. This is the Mahapran letter in this one. You are going to read Gar. You are reading Gar. See, example, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Inya is there. Gha is there. Instead of reading Ga, Gha, you are reading Ga. If we say to write any word, no, you are going to write this ga. Ga, ra, gar. This is gar means no meaning. What is the meaning of this one? Nothing was there. This is meaningless word. This is the mistake. We written the mistake here. That's why I am saying pronunciation is the important in the Hindi. Same words we can't see the word. What is the pronunciation of the word? That one only we are writing there in that one. This Hindi's Lipi was written in the Devanagari Lipi. In Devanagari Lipi, what is happened? It is what we are saying. जो लिखा जाता है वही पढ़ा जाता है, जो पढ़ा जाता है वही लिखा जाता है. Suppose what we are saying with our tongue, what is the sound coming from our tongue, that one only we are writing. See, gha, ra, ghar. How to form a word, we know that, but what is the pronunciation of that one while writing without seeing the words? No, you can make a mistakes of some words. Easy words you can write: bus, nas, jal, gaj. One means forest. See, va plus na in that one. It is easy to identify and say also. Sa, ra, sar. Sa plus ra is equal to sar. Then na plus ta is equal to nut. Sorry. See, the next na, same. Na plus la is equal to null. Easy, very easy words. Where you are finding mistakes, where you are saying the mistakes, if you write without seeing the word, no, what we are saying, you have to listen carefully and write it properly. If we say ghar, you are writing ghar. Then if I say, see, to write khar, you can make a mistake. You have to listen the word. If you must have to listen the pronunciation. What is the particular pronunciation? Here see, the letters are there, no? Ka, kha. Why I am saying alpupran? This is alpupran. These are mahapran. Come to now. Ka, cha, ta, ta, pa. These are alpupranakshar letters. These are all alpupran letters. And ga, ja, da, da, ba. This is also alpupranakshar letters. Kha, cha, tha, tha, pa. Some particular pronunciation is there. Kha, while we are saying kha, then no, ga, gha, cha, cha. Pronunciation is important so many times. If you know the pronunciation, then only you are going to write proper. Otherwise, you are going to write a mistake. Instead of, I said no, khar. Khar means donkey. Then if I say to write khar, some children will write kar. This is a mistake one. This one is mistake. Kar. Kar means no. Then kar means kha. See the pronunciation. Listen the pronunciation carefully. That one it is important. Kha plus ra is equal to khar. Khar. Kha sound. Sound is important. Particularly you must have to write. And where you are writing the mistakes. If I say dhan to write, some children will write ghan. See. It is a mistake one. Then dhan. If I say to write dhan, some will write dhan. See, these are the mistake ones. You must have to write. You must have to identify and clearly you must have to know what is the pronunciation of that one. Then only you will write a correct formation of the word. Dha plus na is equal to dhan. This is the way to write the two-letter words. Understand, children? Then some more words I am going to explain. See, if I say to write khat, kha plus ta is equal to khat. Kha plus ta is equal to khat. Khat means letter. Then meaning that khat letter having meaning then another one, ha, la, ha plus la. What are the letters in this one? See, one I am explaining with letters and another one with the word. You must have to identify what is the given there, how to join and how to make a sound, and if the word is there, what are the letters in that one, what is the pronunciation of that one, we can identify very clearly then. If you know these all the letters fluently, we can explore more words. What are the words with 2-letter words or 3-letter words and 4-letter words? What is the word given there? Then we can form after this word we can form a sentence also. See, example, ghar is there. Gha. If sentence is given, how we have to read? See, 2-letter words. We form a sentence with 2-letter words only. We can form a sentence. What are the letters? First you have to identify. Gha plus ra. Ghar. What is there? Gha plus ra. Ghar. Then pa plus ra. Par. Then cha plus la. Chal. Easy. See? Gha plus ra. What is there in that one? Gha plus ra. Ghar. Pa plus ra. Par. Cha plus la. Chal. Easy words these all. Understand, children? Then ghar par chal. A particular sentence we can explore. Then next another sentence if it is there. How you have to identify and how to read that one. Example. It is given there. How we have to read this one. How we have to read and how to write also if anybody say to write the word sentence. Nal, par, chal. How to read? You must have to close that one. First identify first letter na. Na must have to keep in your mind. Then la. Na plus la is equal to null. Then next same. What are the letters are there? Pa plus ra is equal to par. Then what is there in this one? Cha plus la is equal to chal. Pronunciation of the sentence is null, par, chal. Very easy. Children, today I am going to wind up the class. In next class I will explain more. Then you must have to practice what I said now. Then up to that time, till the next time when we meet, practice that. Thank you.